Today we're demonstrating how to use the convection feature on the Wolf steam oven. To get started, power the unit on. You'll see a series of cooking modes. Press the arrow until you get to the convection option. Press Enter to select the convection option. The oven will now show the suggested rack positions. This is the time to insert your baking trays. Select the rack position 2 for single baking tray, or rack positions 1 and 3 for multiple trays. Once you've placed your trays inside the oven, close the door and select Enter. The next screen will display the oven temperature. The oven will automatically default to 330 degrees. If this is your desired temperature and you do not want to set a cooking duration or cooking time, press the forward arrow 3 times to get to the Start option on the control panel. Then press Enter. The oven will start preheating, and you are now cooking convection style in your Wolf steam oven. Or, if you want to select a different cooking temperature, cooking duration, or cooking time, follow all the steps we mentioned until you get to the default oven temperature screen. To change the default temperature, select Enter. To increase the oven temperature, press the forward arrow. To decrease the oven temperature, select the back arrow. Once you get your desired temperature, press Enter. The oven will now give the option to set a cooking duration or cooking time. Press the forward arrow once to set the cooking duration, or twice to select the cooking time. We will only be setting a cooking duration for this video, but the steps are the same to set the cooking time. Select cooking duration. Select Enter. Press the forward arrow to select the duration time. Press Enter. When you've reached your desired duration time, press the forward arrow again to get to the Start Oven option and press Enter. You are now using your Wolf steam oven with a set duration time. To learn more about Wolf steam ovens, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.